It's another beautiful day and we are in Litchfield Park in a subdivision. It's called Allen Ranches and our builder is Pulte Homes. And what really makes this one a really exciting one, you're going to get over $82,000 off the price of this home right here, and we're going to show it to you. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It's called the Parklane. 3 bedrooms, a den, 2.5 baths, 2.5 car garage, 2473 square feet. It's a beautiful, beautiful home. Plus, it's my favorite floor plan that Pulte make. And a reminder, Litchfield Park, Arizona, in a subdivision called Allen Ranches. Pulte is your builder, and of course, me, Mary Kay Marino. I would be honored to work for you as your realtor. So let's not waste any more of your time. Let's go show you this home. And remember, leave me a comment below. And now let's go. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and take you on into this home, and you might actually like it. Remember, if you want my guide to buying a new build, the do's and don'ts, text new to the number on the screen. It says come on in, so let's go ahead and go on in. This is pretty exciting. This has some really nice upgrades, and the savings on this is just unbelievable. Over $82,000 off the price of the home. This is absolutely great, and it's actually my favorite floor plan. So back to the house. We're standing right here in front of the door. Beautiful. We're going to turn to the left all the way around here, and this is where the guest bedrooms are. Guest bedroom number 1 right here. Nice window out to the front. Nice sized bedroom. Look at that. And as we walk in and walk around, here is your walk-in closet. I'm going to step in and step back out so you can get another look at the room, how big it is. This is the actual house. This is the one that you have the savings of over $82,000 off the price. So nice big room right here. As we exit this, right across is guest bedroom number 2. This one is just a scooch on the smaller side, in my opinion. And then right around here is your walk-in closet, right here. And I'll walk in and then back out so you can kind of see that. Then as we exit here, this is going to be the shared bath. The shower rod is on the floor, but is a tub and shower combination. Nice bathroom. Backing up in between the 2 bedrooms. Front bedroom, side bedroom. Let me show it to you here. It's going to be your linen closet. I'll go all the way up to the top. There you go. And then next to your other bedroom, coat closet. So let me open that for you. Right there. And then as we exit that part, here's your front door. So I'm going to step in front of the front door, give you a recap already. Front door, you walk down this hallway, and this is where your guest bedrooms are. Front bedroom, side bedroom, shared bathroom, that's coat closet, and then that's linen closet. So backing up to the hallway, we're going to walk forward. We're going to turn to the right. This is garage door entrance. Walking a little further and to the left is going to be your favorite room. Yay! This sale is coming with a washer and dryer, just the way it is. So not only are you getting this huge discount, you're getting the washer and dryer with it. So going back out to the hallway, there's your front door again, turning back around, walking down the hallway. On the left, this is going to be your flex room or your office. Huge room. And you know what's really nice about this? Let me show you. I'm gonna walk in, gonna pull out the door. Watch, you get the doors on this. You have the glass doors. When you're building this home from the ground up and you have this flex room, you have options to have no doors, the glass doors, or a regular door. And the glass doors are actually an upgrade on this. So this is a very large flex room office. It could be a kid's room, a playroom, a computer room, whatever you want to use this room for. It's a nice size room. Backing up, and then on the other side of the hall is going to be your guest half bath. And then backing up from there, I'm going to open up this one. You have another storage closet right here. And then this is going to bring us into the main part of the house. And this, again, this is the park lane. Go ahead and enjoy. All right, so let's swing you back into the kitchen. Boop. So, this is going to look a little different because this is the spec home. This is the home that's ready right now. So it's going to be no furniture in here, as you obviously can see. And again, this is the Park Lane, and it is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2473 square feet, 2.5 car garage. But look at that beautiful kitchen. It is a chef kitchen. It has the gas stovetop with the beautiful stainless steel hood above it. It has a wall microwave. It has a wall oven. And it also is coming with a stainless steel refrigerator. Most of the time, they do not include the washer, dryer, refrigerator. In this home, they are including that with your $82,000 discount off the price of the home. So let's go ahead and show you the pantry right here. And they're using it as a storage. And it goes all the way up, which is kind of nice. Actually, it is very nice. And I'll give you another look of the kitchen here. Isn't that nice? I love the countertops. It's very pretty. They did not put the hardware on. You can do that after closing, and then you get to pick what kind of hardware you want to put on it. Give you another look of the island. Let me back away, step away so you get a better look at that. And then I'll give it to you on this side. It's a nice long island. I'm going to stand in the middle of the island, and that huge room is going to be your huge, huge family room area. 2 nice windows to the side of the house. And another upgrade is that slider glass door going out to your patio. Normally when you build the Park Lane, your standard feature is 2 nice windows, not this big slider. So this was an upgrade here in the home. Taking you over into the dining room area, which again, very open and very spacious. You have 3 nice windows out to the backyard, and then you also have another slider glass going out to the back patio. So this room is really nice. You have a very large dining room right here, and glancing over, that's going to be your large family room area. Wow, really, really nice. I'm going to swing you back in and around to see the kitchen on this side. And look how long that island is. I know I said it, that I was on the other side, but look at on this side. Isn't that pretty? This is my favorite floor plan that Pulte makes. So as we walk past the kitchen, we're going to go into the primary. Nice big bedroom. And then a nice surprise in here, watch. You get the party shower. Looky there. Let me show it to you. And it has a bench. The nice windows above, 3 windows above. You have a shower head above. And then also one on the wall. Give you another angle of that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I'm going to turn around and show you the vanity. Hello! I hope you're having a very marvelous day. It's great out here in Arizona. I hope one day we get the opportunity to work for you. All you have to do is call, text, or email me. I'd be happy and delighted to work for you. Alrighty, now so right here's water closet. And then we're going to take you in and walk you into the clothes closet. Uppers and lowers, which is always nice. Swing you all the way around. There you go. I'll go to the other side so you can see that. Pretty nice. And the square footage, as a reminder, 2473. And again, this home is ready right now. So if this is something you like and want to avail yourself of that $82,000 off the price of the home, all you have to do is give me a call. Give you another look at that beautiful shower. And then I'll walk you back into the bedroom. And as a reminder, if you want my new home build guide, the do's and don'ts of buying a new home, all you have to do is text me new to the number on the screen. Okie dokie. Brings this right back out into the family room, the dining room. What do you think of this home? You just can't beat it. I'll take you outside in just a second. We'll go out this door right here since we're standing here. Alrighty. You have a nice covered patio. Of course, your backyard's going to be dirt, so you can make it into whatever oasis that you want. And it's a large backyard, let me tell you. Very, very, very nice. I'm not going to walk out there because it's muddy. It's been raining, and I don't want to track mud into the house. So I'm going to take you back on in. And remember, if you're interested in this, give me a call, because this one won't last that long because of all the discounts that they've given you off the price of the house. Very, very, very nice. I would be interested to hear what you have to say. I'm going to not only tell you about the recap of this house, I'm going to walk you through it one more time. So this is your office flex room with the glass doors. Walking up to the front door, this is where all your guest bedrooms are going to be. We have the shared bathroom. We have a nice large guest bedroom number 1. Linen closet, guest bedroom number 2. Backing up, here is your coat closet. Front door. Walking back around. Garage door entrance. Your favorite room, ta-da! It's coming with your washer and dryer. Yay, yay, yay! And then walking back down, again, there's your flex room. Guest half bath. And then this is the beautiful main part of the house. Coming with, of course, a stainless steel refrigerator, wall microwave, wall oven, gas stovetop, beautiful stainless steel hood. Look at that. Alrighty, here's FYI for you, the home buyer. Anytime and every time you go into a new build, always remember to bring your realtor. In fact, always remember to bring us. Why? Because the person inside, as nice and sweet as they are, and they're definitely going to be nice and sweet to you, who do you think they work for? They definitely don't work for you. They work for the seller and the builder. And when you're buying your largest and biggest asset you ever buy in your lifetime, don't you want to make sure it turns out exactly the way you want it to? Of course you do. You want to make sure that you have representation and protection only for you, not for you and the seller. And that's called exclusive representation, and we'd be honored to work for you on that behalf. So very important here. Don't go inside and register. Don't go online and register, because once you do that, you lose the opportunity to have somebody watching your back from beginning and to end and everything in between. So make sure you reach out to us. Call, text, or email us. What are you waiting for? We're waiting. Alrighty now, so what do you think of this big, beautiful home? And again, it's called the Parklane by Pulte Homes. We are in Allen Ranches, located in Litchfield Park, Arizona. The HOA out here is $105 a month, and what do you get? Good question. You get a pool, you get basketball courts, you get barbecue areas, picnic areas, you get a playground, you get cornhole, you get grassy parks for both the 2-legged and your 4-legged kids, as well as walking trails throughout this whole community. And again, this is the Parklane, 2473 square feet, 3 bedrooms, a den, 2.5 car garage, 2.5 bathrooms, 2473 square feet, as I already told you. The price on it started at $591,239, but you're getting over $82,000 discounted savings off this price, bringing it down all the way to $537,990. A lot of options on how you want to buy this house. All you have to do is reach out to me, call, text, or email me. And again, it's ready right now. So if you want a home that you can save over $82,000, give me a call. And just to give you an idea of what is around Allen Ranches out here in Litchfield Park, there is shopping and restaurants around here, as well as if you go a little bit further down on the 303, there's the Prasada shopping area that has even more restaurants and shopping and Costco and Target and all sorts of things all around there. So you're not too far at all from a lot of conveniences out here. So if you need some help, whether it's this one or a different home or this community or a different community, we would be honored to help you, and we would be honored to work for you. All you have to do is contact us and we can get the ball rolling for you. In case you don't know who I am, or maybe you forgot who I am, my name is Mary Kay Marino, and welcome. Hello, Arizona Living and Real Estate. We get calls, texts, emails almost every single day from people just like you, looking for help to make a move to Arizona, and we absolutely love it. We are actually here to help serve and support you at the highest level possible. And as far as your time frame, days, minutes, weeks, or even years, that's okay too. We are here to make sure your transition and your transaction is smooth and enjoyable all the way across the finish line to home ownership. So whether you live in state, out of state, or even out of the country, we would be honored to work for you. So don't be bashful, don't be shy. Make sure you reach out to us. Like I said, we'd be honored to work for you. And remember, if you want that new home build guide, the do's and don'ts of buying a new home, all you have to do is text NEW to the number on the screen. So like I always say, until I see you around town next time, show you around town next time, have a marvelous, awesome, incredible, spectacular day. I'll see you next time.